And new disturbing details this evening about the deadly beating of a 70-year-old woman in Trumbull. Her former son-in-law is now charged with murder. News 12 Connecticut's Marissa Alter reports from Bridgeport Superior Court, where that Norwalk man went before a judge.
The police report describes a savage and planned attack on the suspect's former mother-in-law. The victim's family had just celebrated her 70th birthday. Now they're forced to plan her funeral.
The court makes a finding of probable cause for the charge alleged.
Ylli Shtopaku had no reaction as he was arraigned for the murder of his ex-wife's mother, Lida Shape.
The deceased just turned 70 years old Sunday night. The family had a wonderful party for her. The entire family is devastated. Their mother was their everything, and now she's gone.
Shtopaku is accused of viciously beating Shape with a baseball bat for a minute and a half outside the clubhouse at 10 Trumbull, the luxury apartment complex where Shape lived with Shtopaku's ex-wife and their 2 kids.
We have a gated community, so you just don't ever think something like this could happen, and then in broad daylight.
According to the police report, on Monday afternoon, Shtopaku was at the Trumbull Mall and spotted Shape there with an out-of-state relative. He then followed the women back to the complex, where an Uber dropped them in front of the clubhouse. Security camera footage captured what allegedly happened next. Shtopaku called out to the women and made hand motions while they turned around, then kept walking. That's when police said Shtopaku grabbed the bat from his trunk and attacked.
There is nothing to be said other than a cold-blooded murder with a baseball bat against a 70-year-old woman.
Shtopaku was still on scene when police responded, and according to the report, he spontaneously said, "She tried to kill me for all my life, so I did it today." Court records show Shtopaku and his wife finalized their divorce about 4 years ago. In a later interview with police, he said he blamed his ex-mother-in-law for his divorce, for losing his house in Monroe, and for his money troubles. The judge kept bond at $3 million, noting the severity of the allegations, the strength of the state's case, and the danger Shtopaku poses to the community.
The victim's family has a lot of community support. They're going to need it at this point in time, that's for sure.
Shtopaku is due back in court Friday, where attorney Riccio said he plans to request protective orders for the surviving family members. In Bridgeport, Marissa Alter, News 12, Connecticut.